Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadia Stratu and I'm nail educator from Canada. And today I'm gonna show you how to change shape and to do ombre nails. So first step, what we're doing, we remove the product. I'm using a ceramic bead with the shape as a cone. When we remove gel with ceramic bead, it is important to be on high speed and do not stay on one spot. You have to move. Please do not use pressure. The bead will do the job by itself. It is like you would clean a potato. We will change our shape from square into almondish, ovalish shape. Because of that, I decided to keep the length and I'm removing only the top product. I left maybe only 10% of the product because we'll do an ombre French and I don't like nails to look bulky. Because our model wore nails more than 5 weeks, I found a crack on the side of one nail. I could repair it, to be honest, but her natural nail had a very noticeable C-curve, so I decided just to cut it down. I'm using pusher from Stalex. They are sharp enough and easy to use. So our model's skin is very sticky one. With this type of skin, it's not recommended to do any file manicure. Anyway, I'll clean and lift little bit the cuticle. First, I'm working on a reverse to clean the right side. Remember, R for R side, reverse for right side. And most important, do not leave any skin on the nail plate. We know if there is any skin, will be a lifting. As well, don't forget to use your brushes. In any manicure type, the pusher and the brush is your best friends for perfect manicure. So I'm cleaning all 10 nails on reverse, and when I'm getting to the last finger, I'm switching from reverse to the forward. I don't know why, probably I just forgot to press record when I was applying the primer, but trust me, I did it. When you're applying primer, please give extra time to penetrate into nail plate. Next step, I apply elastic base. The name says all. It's really elastic, it means that it's flexible and it will not chip. Finger, I did an extension. I used corrector number 60. Correctors are a series of gels in the bottle, so they require a base layer. Don't try to apply it directly as a base. With ombre brush, I blended the white color slightly to the center of the nail. My trick is to not press with the brush. For second color, I have used as well from series correctors. I took number 61. It's a milky color. I love this color. First, I'm applying a thin layer on entire nail. After, I'm taking a small amount, placing the bulb in center, and I'm gonna spread with a thin line brush on entire nail. I'm trying to spread it such a way so I don't have to file much. If I'm filing, just slightly, and mostly I'm gonna buff it. If I need, I'll turn it upside down the nail. Anyway, I had some to file for nails, some less, and now it's the time for top. I'm applying a top pearl. It's top from Sota, no white top, with a fine shimmer in it. I like to correct the shape with the tops even. Sometimes if I see that the apex is not perfect as I want, I'll add a small drop of the top to add the thickness. But be careful, if you're doing it, do it one by one nail. Because I filed underneath the nail when I was doing the shape, now I have to seal it. So for this step, I have used no wipe elastic top. It's the same like elastic base. And voila, the results. What do you think? How did it turn? Please comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press thumb up. I wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. With love, Nadia Strato.